What's up guys, and welcome back to another episode of Mile High Customs. Today we have this brand new Lamborghini Huracán Tecnica right behind me, and we're going to be protecting the full vehicle with Llumar matte paint protection film. If you guys come over here and take a closer look, we have a little test panel of the matte paint protection film right up against the paint. This is a true matte paint job from the factory. With putting that matte paint protection film on the factory matte finish, it is going to give it a little bit more of a satin-like finish. However, there is no matte paint protection film that has a true matte finish to this Lamborghini paint. As you guys can see, there is a little bit of a mix of the matte paint as well as the gloss pieces. The gloss pieces are going to stay gloss black, so we're going to put Llumar Valor paint protection film on all of those pieces, such as the trim, the headlights, this front, the top of the bonnet, as well as the pieces on the rear bumper. Although this vehicle doesn't look too difficult, it does have well over 100 pieces, including all the gloss black pieces. Every inch of this vehicle is going to be protected. If you guys follow me around to the back, on the back bumper as well as the hatch, there are maybe about 30 to 40 pieces of just gloss black. We are also going to be putting Valor paint protection film on all of these pieces over here, as well as the top of the hatch on these areas. So Zach is starting on the rear half of the vehicle with all the gloss pieces. We are still printing a lot of the matte pieces. Once all of those are done printed, I'm going to be hopping on this vehicle as well. We do have a deadline, and we are going to be getting this vehicle completed by that deadline. So we're going to go ahead and get started on the vehicle, and we'll check back in with you guys maybe when we're about halfway done or so. All right guys, so we got the Lamborghini Tecnica all complete. We did full body Llumar matte paint protection film. This is the platinum paint protection film, which carries a 10-year warranty. It's Llumar's highest warranted film, and it has a self-healing top coat. The warranty covers any peeling, bubbling, fading, yellowing, or anything out of the unusual like that. The only time warranty is really not covered on something like this is if any accidental damage happens, any rock chips, anything like that, to where it is something out of our control and out of the manufacturer's control. We did also tint the full vehicle. We did Llumar's Formula One Pinnacle, 15% on all the sides in the back glass, as well as 50% on the front windshield. I always tell people this: if you've never gotten your windshield tinted, windshield tint is the biggest game changer. It's going to block out a lot of the heat and 99% of the UV rays. I personally cannot drive a vehicle unless my windshield is tinted. At this point, I'm just spoiled. We did also do windshield protection film. This windshield protection film is made by UltraFit. This protection film has a 2-year limited warranty. We usually recommend it on vehicles such as this, or weekend vehicles where you're not driving it every day, you're not using the windshield wipers every day, just because over time, the more you use windshield wipers, it will put surface scratches into the protection film. Some other small little details that we did: if you guys look at the front reflectors as well as the rear reflectors, we did smoke them out with our dark smoke, and as you guys can see, the light over here is still on, so the light is still functional. This film is highly transparent, so it's not going to completely black it out, but if we were to turn off the vehicle and turn off the lights, it would essentially look black. I personally think smoking out the reflectors is one of the nicest things you guys can do to a vehicle, just because that orange and the red reflectors on the rear really throw off the vehicle, especially when it's all murdered out like this. Like I said, we did do full body matte paint protection film, and on this vehicle, it does have some gloss black accents, such as on the front bumper as well as the engine cover and the rear diffuser, which is all gloss black. All of those are protected with Llumar's Valor paint protection film. The Valor paint protection film has a 12-year warranty, and it also has ceramic coating infused in the top layer. We did have a little bit of a deadline on this vehicle. Today is Wednesday, and the customer's anniversary is actually today, and he has some dinner reservations later tonight. So we just finished wrapping up this vehicle, got it all cleaned up, did a quality inspection, and it is all good to go. Whenever doing full body paint protection film or full vinyl wraps, we do also do what's called a 2-week checkup. So if you're picking up the vehicle today, in 2 weeks we want to see the vehicle again. We do a full exterior detail, and then we do also inspect the full vehicle just to make sure everything's still looking the way it's supposed to and that nothing popped up or nothing peeled up. The 2-week checkup is extremely crucial to ensure that the film is going to last and it's going to look good. If anything typically does happen, any material failure, any material pullback, it usually happens within that first 2 weeks, and that's why we like to see it. But other than that, the customer is actually here and he's ready to pick up the vehicle, so we are going to end it on that note. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and we will see you guys next time.